Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Mous Limitless 5.0 case for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Mous has become one of my favorite case makers to use for many different devices, so I decided to go to Amazon and pick it up. I will have links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. They have many different choices on there, so you can pick from leather to carbon fiber to like this fake wood looking type of case. So go on there, pick out your favorite case. It does come with MagSafe, and their magnets are usually pretty strong, so we'll test that out. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does the overall fit of the case look? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? How strong is that magnet? Can you wireless charge? Just the normal things you look for in a case review. Nice presentation for Mous. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. It says, live without limits. There's a mouse in your home. It says, made for the Google Pixel. So, I got the carbon fiber one. I like the extra little grips there. You can see this material is like this felt suede, not suede, but felt material, not to scratch up the back of your phone. You have the shock absorption little tabs on the inside, like that. And then, like I said, you get the carbon fiber look right in the middle. There's a cutout. So let's see how this bad boy fits. So you do get some camera protection there, not a lot. Everything lines up at the bottom. You have a lot of room for your charging port, the microphone. You do get lip protection at the top and the bottom, so when you place it down, it does keep it off of, you know, hitting your display. The power button is nice and easy to press. The vine rocker is nice and tactile. Yeah, the buttons are great on these cases. You do get that grip, so I know that was one of the complaints before. They never had grip on there, so you get a little bit of grip. Doesn't add bulk to your phone at all. You can see that's not a bulky case. And it's not heavy either. It's not like a heavy weighted case either. Now, how does it fit overall? See, it's pretty snug. Around, a little loose around the cutouts, but not bad. But at the top, it's good, and on the sides, it's really good. And then, look, to get it out, it takes some work, which is very important. So when you drop it, you're not popping it. The phone is not just popping out. Bam. Man, I like this case. What y'all think about the cutout? Doesn't rock. But the camera is so big, it's hard for these case companies to give you that extra protection back there. But I do like how this case looks though. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. But let's check out how strong is this magnet. So you can wireless charge. I mean, it's not bad. See, it took that time, it pulled the wire out before it pulled the magnet. So it passes the Forest Tech Reviews test for being pretty strong of a magnet. Let's just, yeah, see. And then we can try out different accessories. Yeah, that is not bad. That magnet is pretty strong. So I don't think you would have any trouble with your MagSafe accessories on here. Again, I know a lot of people that like MagSafe. Look, I have all these little gadgets and I don't even use them. So it's pretty strong. So if you have MagSafe, I think you will enjoy this case. Again, if you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.